Hello guys, you're welcome back to another lesson right here on learnakan.com. So this is the second episode in our occupations vocabulary series. In our first one, I'll link it up here. So in our first one, we looked at a few vocabulary items around occupations and professions. And today we are going to continue with that. So if you missed the first one, you can click on the link above to go check it out. So get ready, the lesson starts right after this. Let's just jump right in and start with the first one. We have ofarini. Ofarini. Ofarini, all right? Ofarini. So the plural for this is afarefo. 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 Okay? To the next one, we have bolo bofuo. Bolo bofuo. Bolo bofuo. All right? So bolo here is borrowed. So this is actually ball, as in football. Okay? So the borrowed form of that in Chi, we have bolo. And bo is to play. So bolo will be to play football. Okay? And then we have the person suffix for. So a person who plays the ball is a footballer. Okay? So we have bolo bofo. To the next one, we have nseng chre ni. Nseng chre ni. Nseng chre ni. Insane. So the insane that starts this is from insem. Okay, insem. And insem means issues. Okay, so we have insem as issues. And then we have chre, which is to write. Okay, we have the ni, which is the person suffix, the singular. So we have insane ni. So if I say chre, insem, that will be to write issues. Okay, so insane literally is someone who writes issues. Okay, so when issues come up, it's a journalist who writes that for us to read. Okay, so we have insane as a journalist. Now, following from this, we have semu for. Semu for. Semu for. Semu for. Okay, now we have the sa, which literally means to take out. Okay, so to take out, to fetch from. Okay, so for example, if you have some pebbles in a bowl, okay, and then you are asking a child to, pick some out of that, you would say sebifrim. Okay, sebifrim, take some out of it. Okay. So we have the sa as to take out or to fetch, from within, a lot. And then we have the mu, which is in or inside. So in or inside here is representing whatever it is that you are taking out from. Okay. And then we have our person suffix. So a person who takes some out of the lot is an editor. You get it? Yeah, so that's the job of an editor. So the journalist goes out, brings the story, and the journalist cuts it down. So he or she takes out some of it and then keeps what, is fit for TV or radio, right? Or newspaper. So we have semufuo as an editor. Okay? To the next one, we have otemuafuo. 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 Okay, and from this we have mranimfuo. 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 Now, mra. So what starts this? We have mra. And mra is the law. Okay, the law is mra. And nim is a verb, which is to know. Okay, nim, to know. And then we have our person suffix. So a person who knows the law is a lawyer. Mranimfo. Okay, not exactly in English, right? But yeah, in Chi, a person who knows the law is mranimfo, a lawyer. Okay, or you can choose to go with the borrowed one, which is lawyer. Okay, lawyer. Lawyer. And sometimes we even add the person suffix, so we get lawyer ni. Lawyer ni. Lawyer ni. So the next one we have obo to ni. Obo to ni. Obo to ni. So by now you should know that the ni and the for are just, person suffixes. So they form a person noun out of, a string that may otherwise be maybe a verb or something, right? So we have obo to ni. Now the obo here is from obuo, okay? Obuo or ebuo. And obuo or ebuo is a stone, okay? A stone. And then we have to, the verb to, which is to lay, okay? To lay. So a person who lays a stone, so in this case, a brick, a block, right, is, a builder, right? So we have obutuni, 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 all right? Or odain sifuo, odain sifuo, odain sifuo. Now, the dine here is from a dine, and a dine is a building or a house. Okay, that's a dine. And then we have the verb si, and si here means to build. Okay, and again we have our person suffix. So a person who builds a house, okay, or a person who builds a building is a builder, right? So we have odansifo. Or you can choose to go with the borrowed form. So we have a borrowed one, which is mason. 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 Once again, this is where we end today's lesson. We haven't finished yet. We still have more to cover as far as, occupations vocabulary is concerned. So we are going to continue in our subsequent videos. But for now, we are ending here. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. See you next time.